study about your next topic, that is changes of states of matter. Now matter can change from one state to another on heating or cooling. So your first method is your melting. What is melting? The process of changing solid into a liquid on heating, that is called melting. Now I can show you by the experiment. Everybody is having ice cubes at home. I have taken the ice cubes here. Clear? Now you can see in the summer season heat is everywhere. You can see here. I have taken ice cubes out of the refrigerator. When you kept ice cubes out of the refrigerator, it starts melting. There is a water. You can see here. There is water in the beaker here. Can you see? Okay. So the process of changing the ice cubes into the water on heating is called melting. Clear all of you? The first method. Students, your next method is your evaporation. Second method is evaporation, in which the process of changing liquid into gas on heating is called evaporation. Now I am showing you by the experiment. Take a test tube which is filled with the water and I am heating over the candle flame. See. When you heat the water, it changes into water vapor. You can see here. When you heat the water, water vapors are forming here. So the process of changing liquid into gas, water vapor is in the form of gas. So this process is known as the evaporation. Clear all of you? Okay. Students, your next method is your condensation. In condensation, you have seen that in the last method when I have taken the test tube, so water vapors are forming here. So again, when water vapors cooled, so when the steam touches the cold surface, it changes again into the water. Like you can see in your home, your mother is cooking food at home. When anything else is cooked in the cooker or you can see in the kadai, like आपकी मदर ने जब आपके राइस रखे हैं, जब कढ़ाई में राइस पक जाते हैं, जब उसे वो उनको कवर करके रखते हैं, स्टीम फॉर्म होती है, जब उठा के फिर वो साइड पे रखते हैं, जब साइड पे कोई चीज़ ऐसे रखते हैं लाइक दिस, आप देखोगे यहाँ पर वाटर इज फॉर्मिंग हियर. सो आप क्या देख रहे हो कि वो जो स्टीम है चेंज हो रही है लिक्विड फॉर्म में ऑन कूलिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंडेंसेशन. द प्रोसेस ऑफ चेंजिंग वाटर वेपर्स या आप कह सकते हो गैस इनटू द लिक्विड फॉर्म ऑन कूलिंग इज कॉल्ड कंडेंसेशन. क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू मेथड? Okay students, now your next fourth method is your freezing. Like again I am showing you by an experiment here. I have taken water in the beaker. Everybody is having the refrigerator at home. Take some water in a beaker and put it in a freezer. Clear? So after some time, 2 or 3 hours, you can see ice cubes will be formed here. So the process of changing liquid again into the solid form. Ice cubes are in the solid form again. So the process of changing liquid into the solid form on cooling, that is called freezing. Clear all of you? All 4 methods. First one we have done melting, second evaporation, third condensation and fourth one is your freezing. Changes of the states of matter. Now you can see the ice cubes here. Now ice cubes is having intermolecular space between the ice cube is very small, like we have done yesterday in the topic. Solids are very tightly packed. Now ice cubes, the intermolecular space between the ice cubes is very tight. And in the liquid case, you can see here it is loosely packed. Intermolecular space between the liquid is more as compared to the solid. And in the gas it is having very loose. Clear all of you? Okay students, Okay, thank you everybody.